Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating outgoing Mr. and Miss Lapu-Lapu Elementary School. They had a reign of 5 years. Yes, after pandemic, 5 years. And to give the Kapa and Scepter, may we call on Honorable Barangay Chairman Timoteo Omingizon and Director Del Gambal together with our Principal, Madam Estrella Nunez, to give the Cape and Scepter.